Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and it's getting cold. And I've been playing with this silicone reservoir that supposed to hold salad dressing. It comes with a little screw cap and so on and so forth. But what I've been doing is filling it. I had an accident the first time. I tried to squeeze it out the hole and it came out muddy. So I eventually just gave up that idea and used it without the top on it, like I am now, and I poured a spiral, and this is my fourth spiral now because I loved what happened so much. I'd like to get the paint out of the top of that, please, so it's a little less clogged. I think that's going to require a skewer. Come out. There we go. Much better. Okay, it was for a second. Go out. I guess I'm not meant to use as much of that as I want. So I had a little bit of paint left in the bottom, and I want some white next to my neon purple, so I guess I'm not going to get the pearl I wanted. But I am going to use some black, and I'm going to squeeze that down right through. And then I'm going to do the red, if there's any red left. And then I'm going to stop with the gold, or the silver, as the case may be. I never use silver. Anyway, so I'm going to put that aside. This time I remember to set my timer, which is a really good thing. And I am going to... I haven't been spreading any white paint. I've been spreading other color paint, namely the Anita's gunmetal colored. Is that it? Yes, no, that's not it. That was my regular black. Because I'm happy to use it up because it's very gray. Everything has decided to clog on me. Really? It's not convenient to do that to me right now. Okay, fine. Be that way. I won't worry about it. And I will just pull out my OXO omelet turning spatula, available on the Amazon link. I'll try and move some of my colors out of the way because they are in the way. And I know it looks very random, and it kind of is. But random's been working for me so far, so I'm going to keep right on trying it. It's a lot of accidental art happening, but it's too much fun to resist, so I'm not willing to stop yet. I think that's a color shift blue. Pretty sure. I love that purple in there. I had a whole nother plan a minute ago. I was going to do a ocean theme, and I'm not completely past it yet, but I want to see what this yields before I go there. This time I'm going to take my spatula and all the color on it and run it right down the edge of my 14 by 14 inch canvas, so at least one edge is covered, more or less. And there's another beautiful painting. I'm all done. I should definitely just whack my colors down and spread them around and call it good, because I definitely have a muse that likes me. I have to say, I can't imagine the miraculous things I see otherwise. It just doesn't make any sense. I really hate the idea of destroying that, but I have great colors, and I'm going to go for it. And I want some orange in there, and I don't think there's any in there. And I am going to take, did I throw my spatula in the pocket? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did that. I wasn't ready for that to be gone yet. I'm not sure how any of this is going to turn out. Not sure that orange, all that orange at least, was a good idea, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. I got plenty of paint to fall down over the edge if that's what my intention is. I did use my basting brush before, and I'm going to do it again. I think I'm going to start with a smaller one. I got it at Walmart. Try not to eradicate any awesome celled areas, but there are quite a few of them, so it makes it difficult to not. I think putting my glasses on would be of great assistance. Pretty sure you might agree with me. Oh my god, it's a whole... oh my goodness, it's a whole new artwork. I like the gold. I want more of it. That is pretty cool. It doesn't take long enough. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to throw some gold in there. I want some pink. I want some of this magenta pink. I want what I cannot have because the top is clogged. Again, peel that stuff off. Yes! I got it now. Well, I thought I did anyway. I want some of that white pearl that was being so difficult earlier. And I think I can have some. I may want some more of that purple too, right in the same area. I never did get the gold. Oh well. I think I'd like more. Oh, I like that purple. I think I'd like more spiraled out areas that look like they're ring pores. I'm tempted to tip this. Most of the others I tipped, and this one I did not. I am going to grab a skewer. Nice flat end, yeah. Throw a little more black right there, because I think it would look good there. Use whatever tool was handy, which happens to be a toothbrush. Like, not a toothbrush, but it has teeth in it. Cut into the bristles. Wipe that off. I could have done that with a fork or anything. Not sure about that orange there. Kind of want to knock some of this color right off. And see what happens when I do that. That's not what I had in mind at all. That's okay, because sometimes accidents are good. I want some more gold. I was saying that I wanted some more patterns like that. So I'm going to try and have some. I'm not sure that my design sense is intact right now, though. Not as much as it had been, anyway. I often think that, and then I go ahead and rescue something. I hope this is one of those things. I'm going to have some cleanup, that's for sure. Yep, I got some nice cells coming up all over the place. It's not like the others, but that's okay. It's bound to be different sooner or later. I'm going to wipe off my basting brush. Briefly. And I think I'm just about done. That's pretty bizarre, but that's okay, because I'm happy with it. I have over 430 videos, so if you like what I do, you can go see some more. If you wait for the last 20 seconds of this video, the playlist is mentioned there along with my website and the latest contest, which is, the prizes are shown on some 18 by 24 inch, an exhibition of 18 by 24 inch dry canvases. I have Instagram and Pinterest and 3 Facebook albums listed at the bottom of the description underneath the video that show wet and dry artworks from YouTube. I need some anomalous marks to make me feel like I made it my own. What else? I have Teespring clothing, and I've started to add things to curios. I also have Pixels and Fine Art America, all of which you can find examples of and follow the links from to shop from my Facebook web pages. And all of that is appreciated, along with any contributions you make that will get you entered into the contest. I got some really wild colored patterns that are occurring down here. I'd like to tip some of those over, actually. I'm not sure that's a good idea. It might be kind of risky. That's alright. Risky is my middle name, so I'm going to tip some of that right down this way. Am I? Yeah? I'm not sure that's a good idea still. Kind of liked what it was. So I'll just put it back where it was and not do that. I will have some edges to touch up, that is a certainty. And there's some time to add to that. Oh, I've got the perfect paint over here to add to my edge. Just perfect. Absolutely exactly what I needed. And I'll have patterns that mimic the top. That's great. So whatever I've forgotten to tell you is I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at my studio in Spring Hill at the house. If you're ever in Florida and Spring Hill area, or you want to make an appointment to come and have a class, please feel free to do so. If there's anything you want at all, you're welcome to ask me. I'll answer you when I have time. And also, I don't know what he's doing. He's going to start a fire. It's cold today. He wasn't clapping his hands. He was breaking wood. I completely lost my train of thought. Thanks, hon. Oh well, never mind. It'll come back to me at some point in another video, probably, while I'm finishing this. I'm pretty happy with this. It's totally bizarre fantasy piece. And I haven't torched, so I guess we're really not done. Can't beat the kind of drama that's going on in here. We've torched to release the bubbles in the paint. We torched to release the patterns in the paint, although we don't need a whole lot of that right now because we've got plenty of patterns going on. I use no silicone in my artwork, but I do put GAC 800 by Golden to prevent cracking into every recipe I use. So if I want to leave the paint thick, like you can see it's thick here, I can do that. That was a lot of fun. I was a little scared for a minute it might be awful, but I love it. It's a wonderful piece. Really wonderful piece, and it goes with the rest of the series. I have a book called Because I Can. It's on the Amazon link below the video. It's where I sell the OXO omelet turning spatulas and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and the gold mica powder that makes up my gold. See if I can keep from lighting anything on fire. We got some beautiful cells, we got some great colors, we got some fun patterns. I'm very pleased to tell you all, we got over 47,000 subscribers and on our way to 48,000 right now. I want to thank everybody for the contributions in the past and tell you again, if you make another one now, you'll be entered in a contest where you'll get to choose one of 4 paintings. And I will pick a winner on February 28th. If you do that, you will be entered. So I'm sure I forgot something, like I'm always sure I forgot something, but I have no idea what it is. And I saw some bare canvas over there. So I'm not going to leave bare canvas. And none of that bothers me. I got edges to fix, and pictures to take. And other than that, I want to thank you all for joining me. And for all the wonderful comments. You keep my morale up really well. I throw my dirty spatula in the bucket. I'm going to see what you can see, and you can see most of everything. I'm going to say this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Please give me a thumbs up if you can manage it. I would really, really appreciate it. It will help me out a lot, and I love you guys. Bye for now. Talk to you soon. Priscilla out.